Crazy people, so andito ako ngayon sa barangay namin because we'll be going somewhere. It's actually a good place and we'll go there. Yan, yaya na kami, so yan, magsasakay kami ng bike. Ayan. I'm driving a bike pala. Wait lang. I'll see you later. So yan yung vlog. Po kami. I am with my niece, pamangkin ko po. So we'll be going somewhere. It's actually a good place. Maganda siyang puntahan because naka-open ng place and meron siyang ilog doon, maganda. Okay. So I'll be doing my first vlog there sa ilog. So see you later, guys. Ito yung daan. Medyo mahirap yung daan. Saan kami talaga makakasagasa ako dito. So yun po, wag yung gagawin to na nag-vlog habang nag-drive. Okay, masama po yun. Wait lang. Ang ingay. Ang ingay. So eto, look. Tignan niyo po. Nadaanan namin. Nauna na yung mga kasama namin because they are riding a Mio. Tapos ang sakay gamit lang namin is a motorbike. Yung electric bike na sina-charge lang. Medyo malayo pa siya. It will take about siguro mga 5-minute drive. Okay. Ayan sila, tumigil sila.
Hi guys!
They waited for us. Ayun. Sabi na sa inyo, I'm vlog. Hello! We're almost half there. Ayun yung friends namin na dalawa, nasa huli namin sila. Magpakita kayo! Ayun. They are riding Mio. They are using Mio. I have here with me my friends. They are good friends. Minsan plastic lang sila. Okay. Oh my God! Lapit na natin. Tapos walang ilaw ngayon, walang kuryente sa buong town. That's why, oh my God, wait lang. That's why we plan to visit there kasi maganda yung place talaga. It's really amazing. So malapit-lapit na kami and yung kasama namin is iniwan na kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan na ulit yun, but I hope we can look over mamaya kung nasan na ba kami. Saan na ba sila? And you know what guys, we usually go here. We usually hang out here tuwing afternoon because tinitignan din namin yung sunset. It's very good. Ayun, malapit na. Ito yung papaliko dito. Okay. Ang dami-daming posters or tarpaulin ng mga politicians. Pasok siya. If you're going to look, medyo masikip yung daan. Dami po kami. Ayun yung mga friends namin. Una na sila. And the daan is, or maarte. Yung daan is masikip lang siya, parang one way lang siya, and you will not expect na paglabas mo pala nito is a very good place. Actually, nakakastorbo tayo sa mga kabahayan. Again, bawal po kayong mag-video habang nag-drive. Ayun, hello, huwag niyo pong gagayahin ang kabulastugan ko. Ayun. And malapit na po kami malobat. Look, ang daming tao. We are actually here. And ang daming tao. Ang daming tao.
Kasi walang ilaw, andito siya malamig dito.
Oo, kasi walang ilaw ngayon talaga and it's malamig here. Oh, look at the place. Masarap tumambay dito. May ilog din banda doon, no? May mga naliligo nga ata eh. But it's nakaka-refresh lang. Tapos ang hangin-hangin sobra. Maingay nga ata yung hangin eh. case you are wondering bakit ako nagba-vlog, hindi ko din alam. I just want to start vlogging din kasi naiinggit ako sa ibang friends ko na nagba-vlog. And aside from that, syempre, there are also reasons kung bakit gusto ko mag-vlog. First, of course, I want to start vlogging kasi gusto ko na bawat memories that I experience or experiences that I go on through with my life, be it in a day-to-day basis or weekly basis, nagkakaroon ako ng documentation para nababalik-balikan ko siya and na-cherish ko yung moment as it unfolds. Yun lang. And I just want to share din sa ibang tao how I live, how a very simple man like me lives in this crazy world, diba? And yun, I hope you will like my channel. I'll be uploading every week siguro. So there, we'll start exploring the place. Nagpahit ako ng camera because my phone is already low. But thanks to my friend for your phone. Hey, let's go! Ayan, actually, meron pa pala construction na ginagawa dito. Ayun. Then, we'll try to go there, yung parang gubat doon, and we'll try to make pictures, take pictures. Parang maganda kasi, parang Instagrammable siya. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako titingin.
Parang paggabi.
Saan?
Parang hanggang 6. Ganon, saan na maraming kawain.
So, these are my friends. They are the persons I am with every night because we usually play, we do exercise. Nag-volleyball kami. Ayun the place there is somehow good. Parang ano siya, Instagrammable, so we'll take pictures there. Nakakapagod kaya maglakad. Look po. Sa mga nasa Manila po, ayun po. Yung mga hindi po sila, they don't usually see baka, kalabaw. Okay. We have it in here. Talaga. Kambing! Yes. Hinihingal na ako. Nakakapagod. Yes.
Yan.
Mas malapit na kami. Actually, ito na siya, Ayun, itong likod na to, para siyang wildfire place. Okay. Kita niyo siya. Let's go. Pagod na ako, friend. Okay. We'll take pictures. So, you'll take a look at the pictures later. Okay. Bye for a while. We just finished. We just finished. Kakatapos ng arte kasi buisit. Oh my God, nagmula ako. Arte kasi, so kakatapos lang namin mag-picture-picture. Nakatayo naman yung pictures, ang gaganda, diba? It's very Instagrammable. So yun lang. That ends our day today. Thank you so much. Bye! Bye! Magbabay kayo sa vlog. Bye! So tomorrow morning, I'll be doing some errands. May mga task akong kailangan gawin tomorrow. So tomorrow morning will be the final day or the second day of the final exams of my students. So, magbabantayan ko ng exams or mag-administer ako ng exam. Then, tomorrow afternoon is the final defense of, or final oral presentation of my research class. Meron akong tinuturuan na research class, mga grade 12 graduating students. So, I'll bring you there tomorrow sa exams. Then, on the afternoon naman is the final defense nila. Let's see if how are they gonna do. How will they do pala, or how well they are gonna do. So yun, good night, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Oh, good morning! Ayan. So, yun. I'm at school na and we will be eating our breakfast.
Jollibee tayo.
Hindi. Nasa school na ako pero hindi pa ako kumakain ng breakfast. So, dito kami ngayon sa Jollibee. I'm with my super cute friend. Super cute. Super gandang friend. Ayan. Siya po si Grisha. So, later, I'll bring you inside the school. Tapos, magpapa-exam kasi ako this morning. Then, mayang hapon, we'll have final defense ng research class. See you later!
But if you steal from many, is research. So to the members of the panel, Ms. Rijal Jamil, Ms. Amalia Soriana, and Mr. Ricardo Jan R. Capilla, good afternoon.
One, two! Happy birthday to you! We love you! 2, 3, go! We survive! We die! Hello there! Good evening! I am actually now at home. It's already almost 10 p.m. and it's still raining. Hindi ko alam. It is supposed to be summer. Kailangan mainit pero hindi ko alam kung bakit umuulan. Climate change. But before this day ends and before I end my vlog or my first vlog, I would like to congratulate once again my grade 12 St. Lawrence class, Humanities and Social Sciences students, and Accountancy and Business and Management students for a job well done in their final presentation of their output in their research class. Ayan. So, congratulations once again to my grade 12 class. So, thank you so much for watching this first vlog. Sana po you consider subscribing in my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Until the next vlog.